How to record videos with screen off on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Inside settings, scroll down and move into accessibility. Once again, scroll all the way down and move into guided access. You have to toggle on this option. Once it has been done, go back to your previous piece and then move into accessibility shortcut. You have to search for voiceover and then click on it. Once it has been done, you can go back and open camera. Move into video and then you can start recording. Once you have clicked on it, now you have to click on the power button for 3 times. And then this interface will pop up. Click on voiceover. Now you have to tap on the screen for 3 times with your 3 fingers. You can tap on allow. After that, your video will start to record with the screen off. And in order to stop recording, once again you have to click on the screen with the 3 fingers 3 times. And then after that you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can record videos with screen off on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.